And this is how we generally come up with the top 10 songs of the evening.
That's funny.
That's funny. We put the CDs and the records down, and who's number one today?
Number one is Robin Thicke.
Robin Thicke. Welcome to broadcast.
Babylon in the modern day. 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 They make me wanna say. Good morning. I'm disconnected from the neighbor, connected to the cradle, connected to attraction. I can't get fatal. Whoa, young star, John the boss out to navel. I hope you heard the ace out, about to spit the fable. Yeah, I'm old school like plant potatoes and peppers and corn and squash and tomatoes. And when worries you're born, you did favors and you said good morning, spoke to your neighbors. Yeah.